Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, you can see the error your PC did not start correctly. So first of all, I should tell you why you are facing this issue. So there are multiple reasons behind this error. The first one is multiple shutdown. I mean the suddenly power off your system. You may get this issue as well. Your Windows file are corrupted, that's why you're getting this error. If you have installed the Windows or any other third-party software which is not compatible for your Windows, you will get this issue. As well as if there is any hard drive corruptions, bad sector inside your hard drive, so you may get this issue as well. And if you have also changed your hardware, so this is the cause of this error. So whatever error you are getting here, you need to click on this option, Advanced Options. And once you click on advanced option, you will get this option troubleshoot. Click on that advanced option again. From here we need to go to the safe mode. So in order to go to the safe mode, we can go to this option, startup setting. Click on that, and once you click on that, you need to restart your system. Okay, here it will show you the options, so you need to press F4 or 4 your keyboard to enable safe mode. Press F4 or 4 like this, and if you are able to access your PC in a safe mode, this issue will fix easily. But somehow if you are not able to access the PC into safe mode, I will show you how to do and how to troubleshoot this issue later. So let's see my PC is able to access in a safe mode or not. Looks like it is. Log in with the same credentials. Now we are in a safe mode. We need to press Window plus R button, or you can right click here and click on Run. And type here ms config and hit OK. Okay, click on this option, services. After that, and click on hide all Microsoft services. Once you click on hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. Click on apply. Click on OK. And before click on apply, click on OK. Go to this tab and go to normal startup. Let me go this option, normal startup. Tick this option, and you can also troubleshoot your system from here, like uninstall any third-party program. Open the control panel with Window plus R and go to large icons here, and after that go to programs and features, and you can uninstall the recent program which is causing the issue, as well as you can uninstall the recent update. How to install the recent update? You can see here, view install updates. And select here install on from latest to this option, and tick this option and click on uninstall like this, and click on yes. Okay, uninstall is done now. Corrupted and faulty updates. Click on here, apply OK, and restart it. And this will fix your issue. Let's see if I'm able to solve the error or not. Okay, the issue has been fixed now. You can see if I log in here. Okay, it's booted now. So let's say if you are not able to access your PC in a safe mode, click on setting icon here. First click on the start menu, then setting icons. Open that. Click on update and security. Click on recovery. Then click on advanced startup and restart it. Click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced options. And from here you can also restore your system in a backdays. Click on system restore. And this will restore your system when your system was working fine without any error. So this option will only work if you have configured it, or sometime Windows automatically creates the system restore. So you can try this option as well. Okay, select your administrator account here. Make sure you have chosen here US keyboard, otherwise you may get the password related errors. And if you have created system restore, you will not get the red error. Click on next and select the date and restore your system. No loss to your data, as well as the setting will remain same as it is when your system was working fine. Select the correct date from there and choose the latest date and restore it. If still not work, we have couple of options here. You can also reset your PC while keep your personal files, but that up to you. If nothing is working, you can choose this option, keep my files. We can also perform some steps here: startup settings, recovery image, uninstall updates. We have already done that steps. You can also choose here the startup repair options. This will try to diagnose your PC and will fix it. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. Your PC did not start correctly. If nothing is working, so you can check your hardware or reinstall the fresh window with bootable pen drive. So hopefully guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.